Hey guys, today I'm just going to be addressing a little change. If you've watched my videos, you know that I changed my hair and I wanted to try blonde. So this is how I'm going to be wearing my hair in videos once in a while, not all the time. So this is actually a wig that I got off Amazon 2 days ago. This is my first time ever actually wearing a wig other than like a $5 wig from Walmart for Halloween, you know? This is my first time ever actually wearing a wig. So the wig that I got, I wanted something cheap because I wanted to see if I actually was into the whole wig thing first. So this wig was $18.99 off Amazon Prime. I got it within 2 days. And here's what the wig was supposed to look like. It was supposed to be like black, brown, and then blonde, like a light blonde at the bottom. But as you can see, it's like all like a golden blonde, I guess. It doesn't have that black, brown, blonde that I was expecting to get. But again, this was only $18.99, so I can't really complain too much. I do actually like this. I like this blonde on my skin tone. My natural hair is actually like dark brown, close to black kind of, so this actually blends in almost perfectly with my natural hair. And I think that this color, it's like a, I don't know if it's a blonde or a light brown. You let me know what you guys think in the comments because I honestly don't know. This isn't what I ordered. But in case you guys want to check out this wig, I got it from Lady Miranda on Amazon. That's the shop, Lady Miranda. And this is called the Black and Brown and Blonde wig. They do have different colors. Let me see what they have. They have black and brown, black and blonde, black, all blonde, blonde and pink, blonde and ash blonde. There's a bunch of different colors you can choose from, but yeah, this is the brown, black, brown, and blonde one. But as you can see, like I said a couple times already, it didn't come out that way, but I'm actually not mad at it. Like, I actually do like this. It did come with a wig cap as well. I ordered some separately because I didn't know if it did or not, but it did come with a wig cap. I took scissors to it and just kind of like trimmed out some like small like baby hairs to try to make it look more natural. But like I said, this is my first time ever wearing a wig, so I still have a little bit of adjusting to do. And learning how to work with it. But yeah, this is my under $20 wig. I just wanted to share this with you guys, kind of let you guys know that I'm going to be popping up in videos looking like this once in a while, but also to let you guys know that I got a really good deal on a wig. So again, the shop was Lady Miranda on Amazon. Go check it out if you guys are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. And subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.